Hello, my name's Suki Dehal, Head of Franchising for Lloyds Bank. When starting your business, creating your business plan is of the utmost importance. Your business plan should be like your sat-nav to success. This will be how you direct yourself in maximising any opportunities in your area, but also avoiding any pitfalls or potential issues that you may come across in your business after you launch. Your business plan will consist of many different areas, such as outlining your competition, your marketplace, but it will also contain your financial considerations with your profit and loss and cash flow forecast for at least the first 3 years in business. When looking at your operational business plan, it's very important to look in depth at who are your competition in your area and what is your unique selling point that's going to allow you to compete effectively against them. Also, when you look at your territory, ensure you understand the demographics of your area and the need for your services or products so that you can understand how quickly you will be able to grow your business and secure the clients you need to reach your break-even point. In addition to looking at your operational business plan, understanding your financials is also crucial to ensuring that you will be successful in business. When you put together your financial projections, typically you'll be looking at seeing how fast your business can grow during your first year and then how you're going to grow further during the second year to reach a more profitable state. Ensure that when you're putting together your numbers, you do your research thoroughly in your area about how quickly do businesses in your sector grow. Think about, if you are in a retail environment, how many of whatever it is that you sell do you need to sell to reach your break-even point, and break that down further to seeing how many can you realistically sell during each day to make your contributions in each numbers for that month. Make sure that your projections are realistic so that you can be confident that you can be successful and that you will have sufficient capital to reach your break-even point to be successful in business. When you do your cash flow forecast, this will clearly outline how much money you need to get to that point in business where you'll be self-sufficient and the business will be able to meet its own commitments without the need for further investment from yourself. So once you've created your business plan, it may be tempting just to put it away in the bottom drawer and get on with business. However, I'd strongly recommend that your business plan should be a working document, and at the very least you should be updating it on an annual basis, because in business, like all things, things will change and you need to be able to keep an eye on your budgets and your cash flow to make sure that you're not only successful now but also in the future. There may be new competitors that enter into your landscape, or there could be changes in your demographics that will allow you to actually create more business by changing the way you operate. So ensure you're updating your business plan so that you can maximise these opportunities and continue to be successful. In addition to updating your business plan, you will also need to keep a close handle on the financials of your business. More often than not, in today's digital age, most business owners will utilise some form of electronic bookkeeping software, such as Sage or Xero, to keep a close eye on how your business is performing. These tools are fantastic to be able to keep an eye on not only how your business is performing, but also ensuring that you're getting paid on time for your invoices and what sort of terms are you obtaining from your suppliers for any suppliers that you've bought on invoice to any of those as well. Make sure that you're keeping a close watch on your financials using these tools so that you can ensure that you've got sufficient cash flow to continue to invest in the business without jeopardizing your underlying profitability. Using bookkeeping software can be a daunting prospect at first. However, as with all things when you get into business, quite often by doing it, you'll become a natural at it in no time. When using for the first time, you'll notice terms such as credits and debits being flung using the software. These will just refer to whether money is either being received into the business or being paid out by yourselves. Received in will be your credits and paid out will be your debits. When you notice that, you'll be able to put together your profit and loss by clearly inputting any entries that go in or out of your bank account as credits or debits and what they relate to, such as marketing expenses, payroll or salaries, or rent. When you utilise the software to clearly categorise the payments in this method, you'll be able to build up your profit and loss account and clearly show where you are making money or where your expenses are starting to get out of control. Keeping a close watch on this will allow you to monitor your performance and make subtle tweaks and changes as the business grows. You'll be able to identify what is your gross profit, which is directly related to your turnover minus the cost of those sales. And you'll be able to monitor how that either goes up or down or stays stable throughout the course of business. You'll also be able to monitor your net profit, which is your turnover minus all of your overheads. And this will give you an idea of if your business is profitable. Again, if you're seeing fluctuations on either one of these margins, it will give you an idea of where you need to concentrate your efforts, whether it means taking more of an idea of cost of sales and paying more attention to those, or it may be your overheads and something there is tweaked higher than it should be, which you need to look at again. Keep an eye at your margins so that you can make sure you can adapt quickly in your business to continue being successful as you grow. My advice for founders would be to take an active involvement in the production of your business plan. You will be the ones running your business, so make sure you understand the mechanics behind your business plan and all facets that go behind both the numbers and the operational information that you put into your business plan. Make sure that you're not overstretching yourself in getting into business, and make sure that the business plan will be sufficiently meeting your needs, both financially and within the business itself, as you'll be giving up a lot of your time to produce this business and you want to maximise your probability of being successful. You can find more support and guidance on the Lloyds Bank Academy website, where we have all kinds of tools to support you getting into business, such as business planning templates, cash flow forecast tools, and a number of other items that can support you when you're starting your business.